If you are looking for an Airbnb that can host a group of people, maybe for a baby shower, if you want to host a bridal shower, and you're looking for a house that can accommodate you guys, or even like a bridal team and you need a place to sleep, I have the perfect Airbnb for you, so keep on watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shykoh and today we are having another Airbnb house tour video. So today I am in Kasarani, just 50 meters off Kasarani Mwiki highway along Icipe Road. We are going to be touring an amazing 2-bedroom Airbnb apartment and I can't wait to take you guys through it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Opposite Thika Road Mall is this roundabout that takes you to town, and another one to the Kasarani Mwiki Road. So you take the Kasarani Mwiki Road and go straight until you find another road on your right that is called Icipe Road. That will take you to the apartments and it's very near. So once you take Icipe Road, it's like only 50 meters and then you turn on your left again and you go straight. Less than 50 meters you will find the apartments, and as you can see along the road you will just see on your right side Atlanta Towers, and that is where the Airbnb is located, in the Atlanta Towers building. So the Airbnbs are 2 of them and they are located in the 3rd floor of this building. And I really like that the area is very accessible. You cannot like get lost when going there. Also, there are very many shops, different businesses, so in case you need to do some shopping, the Thika Road Mall is near. And also there are very many butcheries, normal shops that you can buy normal basic stuff that you would need in an Airbnb. Also, as you can see, there is enough parking. They lock the gate, so security is amazing. Also, like if you're driving here, you don't need to worry where you park your car. They have enough parking, as you can see. So let's go to the 3rd floor and check out the Airbnbs. I liked that the building was very clean. Like I did not come across any sort of dirt when I was touring this Airbnb in the building. So once you enter the Airbnb, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. There are 2 of them. This first one has like a touch of blue in most things, and I also liked that this light fixture was really pretty. They've invested in a very nice light fixture, which is something that I love, light fixtures. Anyway, as you can see, the sitting room is spacious. We have these 2 chairs that you can use as your dining chairs. The curtains is white and blue. Also, the chair was really nice, it had some really cute details. So overall, this is how the sitting room looks like. A 3-seater and a 2-seater, and then over here is these 2 really cute seats that you can use when you're eating, and you can use the countertop over there to place your meals, maybe your drinks. Now onto the kitchen. I love that it was fully equipped with all the utensils that you may need. There's wine glasses, normal glasses, then we have bowls, plates, mugs, and then guys, can you see they have non-stick pots? I was so happy about this. And they also have like cutlery. Basically the kitchen is fully equipped. In case you want to cook your meals, you can definitely be able to do that. There is running water, and if you don't want to cook your own meals, there are a lot of eating centers around that you can buy food from. Then there is a fridge, a dustbin, a microwave. Basically, if you go here, you will feel like you're at home. In the kitchen, there's a door that leads to a small balcony, and if you want to bask in the sun or just, see the surroundings, you can be able to do that from this balcony. So basically, the kitchen was very spacious. I loved that. So let's check out the bedroom. I really liked the bed. The bed has a really cute headboard, and it's a very nice, I think this was a king-size bed. And the room was quite spacious. The curtain is just like the sitting room curtain. There's this laundry basket that was so cute. You can be able to place your clothes there, the dirty clothes, especially if you're staying here for a long time. The bed looked really cozy, and I think 2 people can fit there comfortably. Of course, there is a wardrobe where you can store your clothes, your shoes. Basically, this home is very homely. Like it's just like you're in your home in another place. If you go here, I'm sure you'll feel like this is your second home somewhere in Thika Road. As I mentioned, this is a two-bedroom apartment. So this is the second bedroom. It has a double decker, also with the blue and white details. Looks the beddings look really warm and they're matching the curtains. So this one was not a very big room, but I mean, two beds, I've not seen that in an Airbnb, honestly, and this would help to accommodate a large number of people. I mean, if you are sleeping two of you in each bed, those are four people. In the other bedroom, other two people, six people. As I was saying, I would highly recommend it, especially if you are a large group of people. And I mean, bedrooms opposite each other, so we're just gonna quickly check out the other one. And as you can see, as I told you guys, this place is so clean. The ambience was amazing. So the second house, which is just opposite the other one, has more of gray furniture, and the furniture, it looks amazing. So most things are just the same. The difference is just the color. This one has more of a grayish feeling to it, grayish color. The lantern, the light fixture is basically the same, and I really liked the bed in this one, which I'm gonna show you in a bit. It's still the same size as the other one. It's just that the headboard on this one sort of has a framing on it. It looks amazing, and yeah, I liked the towel detail, the way they folded the towel and everything looks so nice. So the other bedroom is still the same, the double decker. Yeah, basically everything is the same. So in case the other one is occupied, you can come to this one. This Airbnb would be perfect, for example, if you are a bridal team of around 6 people and you need a place to sleep. Maybe your wedding is around Muthaiga or the Thika Road areas. This one would be perfect for you, and they have two of them opposite each other, so even if you have a larger group of people, you would still be able to fit. And it's only 5,000 shillings a night. It has 2 bedrooms. The other bedroom has a double decker, as you've seen, and the other one is also like a large bed that can fit up to 3 people. So I'd highly recommend it. It can fit up to, if you're sleeping 2 of you in one bed, you would fit 6 people, but with the 3 beds, of course, it's around 4, 5, or even at maximum 6 people can fit in this Airbnb. Hope that you guys enjoyed watching the video, and of course, if you're looking for an Airbnb in Kasarani Mwiki area, Icipe, near TRM, of course, you can check this one out. I would highly recommend. It's in a very nice place, like just along the road, and of course there are shops and salons, everything that you would need nearby here. I would actually really recommend this place if you are looking for a place to stay in Thika Road for longer stays. Also, if you are just like in Thika Road and need a place to crash, and especially if you're with a group of friends, you guys would really love this place because they have 3 whole beds. I mean, if you have a big crew, you would definitely fit in this place. It goes for only 5,000 Kenya shillings a night. And of course, if you're staying for longer nights, monthly stays, you will get a better rate, a discount, very good discount. So I will definitely include their contact details somewhere here and also at the description box. Feel free to hit them up and tell them that Shykoh referred you so they can give you a discount. Also share this video with your friends, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.